High cholesterol is one of the most common health concerns affecting millions of people worldwide. And the good news is that nature has already provided us with powerful solutions. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your cholesterol levels and protect your heart health, you're in exactly the right place. If you find this information valuable, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more health and wellness insights like this. Plants are extraordinary living organisms that contain compounds capable of actively lowering cholesterol in your bloodstream. When we talk about reducing cholesterol through diet, we're primarily focusing on two categories: foods that help lower LDL cholesterol, which is the harmful kind that builds up in your arteries, and foods that help increase HDL cholesterol, which is the protective kind that actually cleans your arteries. The beauty of plant-based foods is that they accomplish both of these goals simultaneously. Let's start with leafy greens, which are among the most potent cholesterol-fighting plants available. Spinach, kale, and other dark green vegetables contain compounds called phytosterols and soluble fiber that actively bind to cholesterol particles in your digestive system. When these plant compounds attach to cholesterol, they prevent your body from absorbing it into your bloodstream. Instead, the cholesterol gets carried out of your body naturally through your digestive process. This means that every time you eat a bowl of fresh spinach or steamed kale, you're actively reducing the amount of cholesterol your body retains. Broccoli is another incredibly powerful plant that deserves special attention. This green cruciferous vegetable contains sulforaphane, a compound that supports your liver's ability to process and eliminate cholesterol more efficiently. Your liver is the organ primarily responsible for managing cholesterol production and removal. So supporting liver function is absolutely critical for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Broccoli also provides substantial amounts of soluble fiber, which directly lowers LDL cholesterol in your blood. Oats represent one of the most thoroughly researched plant-based cholesterol solutions available. Oats contain a specific type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan that has been scientifically proven to reduce LDL cholesterol by up to 10% when consumed regularly. A single bowl of oatmeal for breakfast provides you with a significant dose of this heart-protective fiber. The mechanism is straightforward. The beta-glucan in oats forms a thick gel in your digestive system that binds to cholesterol particles and removes them from your body before they can be absorbed. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are nutritional powerhouses when it comes to cholesterol management. These plants are packed with soluble fiber and plant-based proteins that work together to lower both LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, another harmful blood fat that contributes to heart disease. Unlike animal proteins that often come packaged with saturated fat, plant proteins from legumes come with beneficial fiber and polyphenols that actively support cardiovascular health. I hope you're finding this information helpful, because I'd really love it if you could like this video. Knowing that this content is resonating with you truly motivates me to keep creating more detailed health and wellness videos for our community. Nuts and seeds are plant-based foods that contain healthy unsaturated fats and fiber that help reduce cholesterol. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are particularly beneficial because they contain compounds that improve your cholesterol profile while providing sustained energy throughout your day. The healthy fats in these foods actually help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins while supporting optimal cholesterol levels. Berries, especially blueberries and strawberries, contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your cardiovascular system from damage and help improve cholesterol ratios. These colorful fruits also provide fiber and other compounds that support overall heart health. Adding a handful of fresh berries to your breakfast is one of the simplest ways to incorporate more cholesterol-fighting plants into your daily routine. Garlic and onions might seem like humble kitchen staples, but they contain compounds like allicin that have been shown to have modest cholesterol-lowering effects. These pungent plants also provide anti-inflammatory benefits that support overall cardiovascular health. and adding fresh garlic and onions to your meals is an easy way to boost the cholesterol-fighting power of any dish.